Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to save some pumpkin seeds and show you guys how I'm going to process this. So my bowl, I haven't added any water to it yet, and I'm just taking the pumpkin seeds out of here, putting it in my bowl. Pretty easy. It looks like I have a lot of pumpkin seeds here, which is awesome. I might even make some. Pumpkin seeds are actually really good and roasted in the oven. It's very yummy. Now if you come across, there was one little tiny seed that fell in here. If your seeds look hollow, I'll find it in the process somehow. If your seeds look hollow, don't bother saving them because they're not fertile then. Like this little tiny seed here, you can see that it's nothing in there, so it's not a fertile or viable seed. So we'll just toss that one. Sorry about that noise, guys. That is my foster son. Okay, and that meat is actually, I could have still put that meat in the, I might actually put this meat in the oven with the rest of this stuff so it can cook down. And we can have that for our pumpkin bread as well. Or you can give it to your chickens. Or I can give it to my dog. I don't know if you guys know, but we save, and I'll show you guys how to do that too. You can also take this pumpkin. I'll can one of my bigger pumpkins for you guys in the near future. And you can can pumpkins, but you cannot do it as a puree. Don't know why that is. Just can't be done, guys. It gets too mushy and I guess it just falls apart in the canning process. That's what they say anyways. I'm not the rebel canner. I haven't tried it. And I'm not gonna waste my precious jars to try it, so. Stop there. Now you guys got these lovely pumpkins in here, or pumpkin seeds in here, and you're gonna rinse them off and get all the pulp off of it, and then you're just gonna let them dry, and that's it, guys. Now if you wanted to take these and you put them in the oven at 350 degrees, or actually I think it's 425, and you just put a little seasoning on. You put your oven at like 425 and you bake these with a little seasoning, and you can use any seasoning of your choice and they make a wonderful snack. Okay, now I'm just mixing it up in some water. You guys can see this, there we go. And kind of running those seeds through my fingers, and all the yellow stuff will fall to the bottom. And then you'll be able to scoop these seeds off the top because the pumpkin seeds float. And those are good viable seeds. Okay. All right, you guys. You see that? How it's just all floating? Now I'm going to just take these off with a slotted spoon. And I'm just going to put it on a kitchen towel. got my slotted spoon here. I'll just take those from the top, put them on our paper towels. Now, as it's dry, that comes off of them, that's okay. That's nothing to worry about. Now, there's a pumpkin seed in the bottom of there. That is not a viable seed, so just go ahead and put that in the garbage, guys, okay? And so when they don't float, the rule with pumpkin seeds is that they're no good. Okay. So I am just going to let them dry. You want a single layer. Okay. So there you guys go. Those are going to dry, and I'll give them a good rub down after they dry, and make sure that they dry all the way and get all the moisture out before I put them in storage.